Hello, my name is Nicole Motlagh, and I'm going to be talking about the importance of breathing. This is my sister Jasmine, and she will be my audience member. So, especially in times like these with COVID-19, there is so much change occurring. It is vital to remember to center yourself and take time to breathe. Taking care of yourself should be a top priority, and one way to do so is as easy as breathing in and out. People do not realize how many other benefits air has to offer us and the planet. The average human can survive 3 weeks without food, 3 days without water, but would not be able to survive 3 minutes without air. Our cells need air to survive. The action of breathing is both voluntary and involuntary, and is a constant 24-hour process. Using your breath is the best way to get in tune with your body, stabilize yourself, and get in touch with the planet. Plants, animals, and humans rely on air to survive. It is how we connect with each other, by giving the carbon dioxide needed by plants and receiving the air we need. According to Darren Edelman from sciencing.com, grass, trees, flowers, and shrubs all take the carbon dioxide from the humans and animals, absorb it into their systems through their stromata or pores in their leaves or stems, and then use it for energy. The byproduct of a plant's breathing is oxygen, which is used again by animals. Breathing is beneficial to the environment because it helps keep life alive in circulation. Humans and animals have a strong tie to the earth. We work together to stay alive. This is why it is so important to protect the planet, because just like the human body, if one organ shuts down, that can destroy the whole system and completely die. Everything is connected. Finally, if you can try to meditate and breathe in nature, your experience will probably be better. According to Dr. Noah Lexon, associate professor of medicine and director at Johns Hopkins, a human breathes about 20 times per minute, using about 13 pints of air. Animal breathing brings air through the mouth, nose, or gills on to the cells of the organism. The air then passes down the larynx and trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, then into the capillaries to enter the bloodstream. Red blood cells give the oxygen to the blood. Blood rich in CO2 releases the CO2 from the veins back into the alveoli, which is released out of the body. Proper breathing is very important due to the fact that your body constantly needs new and fresh air, supplies of air to be converted into energy. Without it, cell death and damage is possible. Yoga is a fantastic way to not only understand how to breathe correctly during an exercise, but to understand the breath's power in meditation. According to Gandhar Mandalik, a director of yoga at Vidya Gurukul, a respected yoga studio in India, breathing is a key component in yoga. Breathing in yoga is important as you move through different positions. Our body requires energy from oxygen. Yoga is one of the main exercises that deals with breath control, and it forces the individual to mindfully connect the body to the breath. Other aerobic sports that highly embrace the importance of focused, controlled breathing include running, biking, and swimming. The results of these exercises can be so profound and fix a variety of issues. It is so common during an event like a panic attack to feel like air is escaping your lungs and it's hard to breathe. This is because our emotions are so powerful, they have the power over certain key points of our life and body. With meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises, emotion is no longer the deciding factor. You have taught yourself healthy coping mechanisms that allow you to see the root of your issues and accurately fix it. It is because you realize that the only thing you really can do in the moment is control your breathing and your reaction. Over time, angry outbursts, panic attacks, stress, and more can be fixed. In conclusion, by being aware and in control of your breath, you are able to gain a sense of power over yourself, your body, and your world. The one thing that you can control in time of stress, difficulty, or high exertion is your breathing. So, all together, we are going to practice breathing. So first thing you want to do is completely exhale out of your mouth, making a whooshing sound. Then you want to close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Then you want to hold your breath to the count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you want to exhale for 8 seconds. And that you can do on your own. And then this is one breath. So When life feels like everything is going downward, take a moment to step back, close your eyes, and simply just breathe. Fill your lungs in with air and let it out. Let everything in and let your world disappear and keep yourself centered. In that, you find peace and you find a way to have freedom within yourself and in your reactions. Thank you. My notes are over here. And thank you very much.